Hello, and welcome to another exciting episode of Crafting Excellence. Today, we take you on an exclusive journey into the manufacturing process of one of the most iconic supercars in the world, the Bugatti Chiron. We'll delve deep into the materials used, quality control measures, import-export aspects, and much more that go into creating this engineering marvel. Let's dive right in. To truly understand the Bugatti Chiron, we must first appreciate its history and legacy. Bugatti, founded in 1909, has a rich tradition of crafting exceptional automobiles. Bugatti has always been synonymous with luxury, performance, and innovation. But what makes the Chiron so special? Crafting the Bugatti Chiron starts with meticulous design and premium materials. Let's explore the materials that make this car extraordinary. The Chiron's body is primarily constructed using carbon fiber, making it incredibly lightweight and strong. This helps in achieving remarkable speed and handling. In addition to carbon fiber, Bugatti uses aerospace-grade titanium and aluminum, ensuring both strength and agility. Now, let's take a closer look at the manufacturing process of a Bugatti Chiron. As you can see, the Chiron's assembly process is a harmonious blend of human craftsmanship and cutting-edge robotics. Each car is meticulously assembled by skilled technicians. Bugatti is renowned for its rigorous quality control standards. Let's explore how they ensure perfection in every Chiron. Quality control is paramount. Every component is inspected multiple times to meet Bugatti's exacting standards. Stress tests, wind tunnel evaluations, and dynamic assessments ensure peak performance. The Bugatti Chiron isn't just about raw power. It's a showcase of cutting-edge technology. The Chiron boasts an 8.0-liter quad-turbocharged W16 engine, capable of producing a jaw-dropping 1,500 horsepower. But it's not just about the engine. It's about aerodynamics, suspension, and the perfect balance between power and control. Bugatti operates on a global scale, and the import-export aspect plays a vital role in delivering these masterpieces to their fortunate owners. Bugatti carefully orchestrates the logistics, ensuring that Chirons reach their owners worldwide. From the factory in Molsheim, France, to various countries around the globe, a network of professionals guarantees safe delivery. As we wrap up our journey into the world of Bugatti Chiron manufacturing, we're left with a profound appreciation for the blend of artistry and engineering that goes into creating these automotive masterpieces. The Bugatti Chiron isn't just a car, it's a work of art, a symbol of excellence, and a testament to human ingenuity. Thank you for joining us on this exclusive tour of the Bugatti Chiron manufacturing process. If you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe for more crafting excellence content. And remember, the Bugatti Chiron isn't just a car, it's a legend in motion. Until next time, drive safe and dream big.